Continuing the news, despite the negative images being portrayed of Muslims across the world, especially those associated with ISIS and Boko Haram, the Ahmadiyya Muslims are reporting an increase in membership in the Caribbean, especially in Jamaica. So who are the converts? Dara Smith sat down with the Muslim leaders at their annual conference in the United Kingdom recently.
Arguably, Islam is said to be the fastest growing religion worldwide, and the Ahmadiyya Jamaat community is fast growing as well, with over 10 million followers. It has an estimated 500,000 converts annually. 113 countries joined this year, bringing the number of countries under the Ahmadiyya Islam banner to 207. Jamaica is one such country, with over 100 individuals converting to Islam over the last few years. The president and missionary in charge of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat Jamaica is Umar Khan. He has been in Jamaica since May.
Since I've been there's already been over 10 people that have come that are new into the community, and we welcome them, and they're very passionate about Islam because the main goal of Islam is to bring people closer to their Creator.
Lal Khan Malik is the national president of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat Canada, which oversees Jamaica. According to Mr. Malik, despite the relatively small numbers in Jamaica, they have found that the interest in the organization is growing, with rapid growth expected in the near future.
One of the reasons we came to Jamaica is that it is English-speaking country. In Canada, we have English and French. So we adopted Jamaica, number one, because of the language. Number two, Jamaicans are very friendly people, and we wanted to start with the friendly people who are open to dialogue, who have no prejudice.
Mr. Khan explains that a number of Christians as well as Rastafarians and other Muslims have converted to the Ahmadiyya branch of Islam. And now they are on a drive to boost its membership base in Western countries, with focus now being placed on South and Central America and the Caribbean. Apart from Jamaica, the organization can be found in the Dominican Republic, Belize, Ecuador, Bolivia and Uruguay.
We have a very bright future in the Caribbean region. The people are open, they don't have any prejudice, they are prepared to listen, and we believe that when we present the peaceful teachings of Islam, our understanding, the Ahmadiyya understanding of Islam, people in the Caribbean region would love it, and they would be open to our message.
Now, as the Ahmadiyya Muslims try to broaden their base in Western countries like Jamaica and other countries in the Caribbean region and Central America, they are faced with the challenge of convincing individuals that they are different from those they have described as terrorists and extremists. Take, for example, Jamaica, where the fear is real. Amir Khan recounts an incident where his organization planned an event and approached the police to extend an invitation.